Making mistakes in your accounting can be a serious implication for your business, such as paying a significant amount for tax and even with their corresponding penalty and interest just for suspected tax evasion. For a big company, this can damage both the finances and the reputation of the company. For a small business, however, it can have a huge impact and possibly even cause the company to go under if there's not enough money to pay the fines. Hello there. I'm happy and excited to see you here. My name is J. Taiwo Popola and I work for Taisha Associates, and in Taisha Associates, we help entrepreneurs and business owners like you to build and grow their businesses via accounting, bookkeeping, taxation, audit, both statutory and forensic, and even business plan and company secretarial services. Good accounting is therefore essentially right from the very start. Many small business owners believe that they do not need to do any kind of accounting. They ignore the accounting and do only basic bookkeeping. But this is wrong. It is critical for every business, no matter its size, to start accounting from the moment it starts operations. Simply keeping hold of customer receipts and invoices is not enough. The business must set up a simple but thorough system to record all transactions made and to produce reports as and when needed. Getting off to a good start with accounting will set your business up for long-term success. When you launch your small business, open a separate account for it. You need to separate your personal finance from your business finance. It is common for sole traders, sole proprietors, for example, to simply use their personal current account for their business. But this then makes it impossible, or at least extremely difficult and time consuming to carry out a reconciliation, especially of their banking transactions, which is a check to ensure that the vehicle your bookkeeping tells you should be in the account is indeed the amount in the account. You need to organize your business records into the right category and classification for easy reference. This will keep your recording simple and consistent for anyone who takes over your bookkeeping work. Keeping it simple in terms of where to record and file each supporting document for each type of transaction. If you are not experienced in this, you will need the assistance of an accountant or bookkeeper to do this for you. Reconciling your books and accounts regularly. This is very important. Reconciling your books and accounts regularly, such as weekly or monthly, is a great way to avoid accounting errors. This way, if the figures do not add up, you will have more chance of being able to correct the mistake. Imagine trying to find a small receipt from 10 months ago. That would be a arduous task. That is the kind of problem that can occur and be impossible to correct if you only check your books against your bank right before you have to submit your annual tax return. Good bookkeeping and accounting, such as producing monthly cash flow statements, not only benefits you when it comes to submitting your tax returns, which is much easier when you have all the necessary figures and documentation already in place. But it also benefits you because you can see if you are overspending on particular items or services and predict whether you will make a profit or loss. You can also start to see trends such as seasonal increases and decreases in profit, which may otherwise have gone unnoticed. For small businesses who want to keep their accounts in good order, but who perhaps do not have the expertise needed to do their own accounting, there are a couple of options to choose from. It is possible to buy accounting software online that will produce reports for you. These are relatively cheap and easy to use. However, the reports are only as good as the figures you enter into them. So, if you make an error, it is likely to go unnoticed. Another thing is hiring a small business accountant. However, ensure that your accounts will be prepared by a knowledgeable and experienced person who pays meticulous attention to detail. You can opt for a local accountant, or to keep costs down, you can find an accountant online who generally charge lower fees. It will be highly recommended to any small business to hire a small business accountant as a consultant right from the start of the process, which gives them time to familiarize themselves with your business before the busy period at the end of the tax year. However, you want to ensure that you are working with an accountant who understands your position and can advise on how best to handle your finances. So, wherever possible, opt for someone who specializes in small business accounting, and preferably who has already worked with small businesses that are in the same industry as you have. If you live in a large city, accountants tend to be readily available with a extensive street background. But if none of your local accountants can offer what you need, then it will be best to find one online rather than opt for someone who only knows how large corporations work. In summary, you need the assistance, the help of an accountant, and they are not far away. They are close by to you. But you see, the most reason why why some SMEs always avoid accountants, they feel that they charge highly. I want to tell you, you can still get an expert in small business accounting that will not charge you hand and the legs. It will not break your banks, but we offer you a good service at a good rate. Well, until I come your way next week, I just want to ask you that you just subscribe down below. Subscribe to our channels, so opt in into our email list, and you will be hearing from us. Thank you. God bless.